So when I started this channel, I actually started vlogging on my phone. Later in my YouTube journey, I decided to invest in a camera. This was my first big girl purchase for my YouTube channel, and I bought the Sony ZV-1. I thought to myself, I might as well just get what all the vloggers are using because it's tried and tested. So that is what I did. After spending all that money, I now find that that camera is just sitting somewhere in a drawer collecting dust. Because these days I'm fully converted and I'm fully using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which I'm actually filming on right now. As you can tell from the title, this video is essentially about my experience using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and essentially why/how it has simplified my vlogging era. Today's video is for my fellow content creators, vloggers, or anybody who's just interested in what I've got to say about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The Osmo Pocket 3 is one of the most sought after cameras of this time. If you exist anywhere on the internet, you will know the hype, the love, and the praise this camera has been getting. You don't have to be a tech guru or a camera whiz to have heard about the camera or to have seen people using it. But if this is the first time you are hearing about this camera, let me tell you why it is a great purchase. I've had mine for 7 months and I want to share with you just how much this camera has really changed my vlogging experience. There are literally tons of videos out there that will share super informative, tech-led explanations and reviews of the camera. But that's not what you're going to get from me today, because all it would be is me regurgitating everything else all these tech-savvy people have said. And that's just not me. And there are people who can do a far better job explaining the technical details of this camera to you. Instead, in this video, I want to share why I love this camera, why it's worth buying, and why it simplified my vlogging. But first, a really quick and small disclaimer, I actually got gifted this camera as well as the creator combo kit, but not gifted in the way that you're probably thinking. It was not gifted to me by a brand. This is not part of a sponsorship or an ad or anything like that. So the camera and combo kit was gifted to me by my super kind and thoughtful partner. It will literally forever be a truly special gift to me, and later in this video you'll find out why. So first up, let me show you everything that comes in the creator combo kit. Of course, the camera, which I cannot show you right now because I'm filming with it, but I'll just insert a little clip just to show you what it looks like in case you don't know. Within the kit, you also get this. It's a double-ended USB-C cord, which is perfect because it means I can connect it to my laptop and get any footage I want from the camera. Easy peasy. Next is the protective cover, which I actually have not used yet. It does what it says on the tin. It protects the camera. There is a wrist strap, but I can't find it. Obviously, seeing as I can't find it, I obviously don't use it. But yeah, that comes in the creator combo kit. There's a little extender that you can attach to the bottom to obviously make the camera a little bit longer, maybe a bit easier to grip if you've got larger hands or just want an extra bit of real estate on the camera. It has a little hole at the back, so I guess if you want to charge the camera, and it also has a hole at the bottom if you want to attach it to, I don't know, say a ring light. There's also a battery handle, which again plugs into the bottom of the camera. You've also got the opportunity to attach it to other units, I guess. And it's great for if you've got a super long filming day, because essentially is a mini power bank. There's a button at the back that you just press, which can then release it from the camera. There is a wide angle lens, which as you can see is still in the packaging. I'm yet to use it. Looking through it doesn't do anything. But I'm really intrigued as to like what it does to the footage. Maybe I'll try and, I don't know how to actually attach it. So I've just attached it, it's magnetic. I don't know, have you guys noticed anything? Take it off now. Oh, I think it does make a difference. Let me do it again. Oh my God, it definitely does work because you can see more of the living room. Sorry, that's super fascinating to me. Let's put it back in its little pouch before I lose it because it is very small. It also comes with this. It is a magnet. You can have it obviously on the other side of your shirt. You can attach it to the microphone. Oh my gosh, I love this. We are basically unboxing and discovering this camera together. And then that leads me nicely onto the little microphone. I have used this before, but guys, the range on this thing is amazing. The quality is chef's kisses. This is my favorite thing about the mic, like so soft. We also have a mini tripod, which is very handy when you're out and about. Love it. It's pretty sturdy as well, which is needed because you don't want to be dropping your Osmo. I have dropped mine a couple times. It survived, but I don't recommend it. Last but not least, everything that I've just shown you comes in this little carrier bag. This is where my camera and all the items live. And this is what it looks like inside if you're wondering. I love the kit. I love everything it comes with. And to be honest, looking at it all now makes me realize that Esther, you need to utilize this a bit more because I've got some good accessories here. But now that I've taken you through that, let me tell you why I love this camera and why it has simplified my vlogging by tenfold. First things first, the obvious point, the size and portability. This thing is tiny. tiny. It is so small and it makes it so easy and so effortless to bring it around with me. It makes it perfect for spontaneous vlog moments, and in comparison to the Sony ZV-1, the Osmo is light, it's discreet, and just so much more manageable, especially when you're new to vlogging and it all seems a little bit daunting. Point 2, this camera is a confidence booster. I used to be such a shy vlogger. Even though the Sony ZV-1 is not huge in comparison to some of the other gear you can get out there, for me, it still was gigantic. It was still big enough that it made me really quite shy, nervous, and to an extent fearful to bring it out in public. Holding a bigger camera essentially just made me feel awkward and like everybody was staring at me. My partner could see that this was holding me back and preventing me from really, let's say, blossoming in my whole vlogging era, and that is what prompted him to get me the Osmo Pocket 3. He saw a problem and found a solution. The Osmo Pocket 3 was the solution to my problems, and it could be the solution to yours. But on a serious note, bringing out this camera in public is so much less intimidating. It feels a lot more casual and so much easier to use on the go. Using this camera helped me focus on doing my thing rather than fussing and being nervous around people watching me use a big old camera in public. And that's not to say that people won't look when you're using the Osmo. It's still different to an iPhone, for example, but I don't know, there's just something about it that makes you feel more comfortable. But I really encourage you to go to a store if you have the opportunity to and hold it, feel it, walk around with it and just see how it makes you feel. Another reason why I love the Osmo Pocket 3 is because of the features. The features on this thing are a dream. Built-in gimbal for cinematic shots, 180 and 360 rotation, night mode, face tracking, and I recently found out that it also takes photos. All of these features and the simple interface have made my vlogging life so much easier because it's not complicated to utilize these settings, which not only makes my life easier, but also just levels up the quality of my content. Now, talking about quality, point number 4, this camera allows quality with no faff. 4K clarity is so crisp. I mean, I don't often film in 4K because it uses so much of my memory, but when I do, I'm always like, wow. Also, the low light performance has exceeded my expectations. Also, I love this flip screen. It just doesn't take up so much space. I can only compare to the other camera I had, but like, for example, you're holding a Sony ZV-1, which is like already this size, and you've got a flip out screen if you want to look at yourself. It's already giving too big. Also, talking of quality, the inbuilt audio is really good, but of course, using the mic enhances that. So who is this camera really for? It's pretty much for anyone, but I'd really recommend it for solo vloggers, if you're new to YouTube, lifestyle or travel content creators, and to be honest, anyone who just wants to film without the faff. For me, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is so worth it. Even if I hadn't have gotten this as a gift, I would have bought it and it would have been worth every single penny. Whether you're documenting your glow up era, your soft life, your girls trip, whatever it may be, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 will show up for you. This camera has made filming fun again. It's made it feel effortless, and I feel confident to live in the moment, capture it, and not feel like 10,000 eyes are on me. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it out before. Let me know what you think of it. And also let me know if you've got any gadgets that have leveled up your content game, because I'm always open to trying new tech. But anyway, that's everything that I wanted to share for now. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, make sure you like this video, and whilst you're at it, you might as well just subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.